There are 6 must-have herbs for your natural medicine chest. You must have these at home. 1. Cayenne pepper. 2. Activated charcoal. 3. Garlic. 4. Golden seal. 5. Peppermint. And 6. Slippery elm. Now, your cayenne, its active ingredient is capsaicin. And capsaicin's claim to fame is because it opens blood vessels in your body, particularly arteries. We call it vasodilation, and thus increases blood flow to the target organ. The application in an emergency is where you have a heart attack or is having an adrenal attack. So somebody who has a sudden chest pain, maybe sweating profusely, and is thought to be having a heart attack can be helped by putting a pinch of cayenne pepper under the tongue of a conscious person. And this person will have a rapid increase in blood flow to their heart, and it may actually save their life. Activated charcoal is absolutely essential medicine in your medicine chest and is a necessary medicine in my office where I treat patients. Actually, many emergency rooms worldwide do have activated charcoal. Why? Because it is an effective antidote for many poisons, including overdose of drugs, whether it be deliberately or accidentally, swallowing accidentally of household chemicals like bleach or kerosene oil or any chemical that might cause poisoning. Activated charcoal taken shortly after a poison will prevent the absorption of that poison into your body, thus saving your life. It's safe for kids and adults. You prepare activated charcoal by mixing 1 teaspoon in 4 ounces of water and drinking immediately. Of course, if the toxin has already been absorbed, it will not help you because activated charcoal isn't absorbed. I do not recommend taking this with your prescription drugs as it may prevent their absorption. Garlic is an effective medicine to lower a elevated blood pressure. Now, garlic can be taken as a tablet. So my recommendation for its improved effectiveness is that you get 1 clove of garlic, crush it, let it sit on a counter for 10 minutes. This activates the key ingredients in the garlic that will lower your blood pressure. You may cut this into bits or swallow it whole, and a person who has a very high blood pressure will notice within a half an hour that the blood pressure starts trending down, and this may avert a life-threatening emergency. For colds and flus, it goes without saying that garlic's antifungal, antibiotic, and antiviral properties make it a unique medicine that's safe and effective for adults and children to help with those pending and developing respiratory tract infections, including ear infections, by the way. Golden seal is a well-known medicine. You may get it in the form of a powder, and this is effective in the case of cuts and bruises that are bleeding. Applied directly to an open wound, golden seal will cause hemostasis, which means it stops the bleeding in a very short space of time, thus preventing significant blood loss. And it actually can help to kill germs and promote healing of that said wound. Peppermint is a very important medicine in every kitchen and home because it actually reduces gas, bloating, and pain in the intestinal area. So if you ever have a colic, stomach upset, gastritis, acid reflux, as most of us does at different times, peppermint herb or peppermint essential oil are very effective when taken as a tea or applying the oil to the tummy. This will reduce your gastrointestinal symptoms in minutes. Finally, slippery elm also falls in the category of a gastrointestinal herb which promotes healing. Slippery elm has the unique property of stimulating mucus production in your stomach and small intestine. So, for example, if you have an ulcer, acid reflux, or any gastrointestinal problem where the stomach protection is worn down, slippery elm will restore your natural stomach protection and reduce your symptoms and promote healing. Slippery elm has a dark side. It must not be taken by pregnant mothers, as this will cause a miscarriage. So if you are pregnant, especially in the first trimester, or any trimester for that matter, you must avoid slippery elm. The other herbs that I've mentioned before are all safe in kids, except for golden seal, which we don't generally give kids orally, but it can be applied externally. The others are all safe in pregnancy. For cayenne and garlic especially though, you must ensure that you don't take them along with a blood thinner, as these may increase your risk of bleeding. Please check with your doctor to see if these medicines are compatible with whatever medicines you are taking. For more content like this, please like, share, and follow my channel.